Welcome to Mukhlis Trading Academy. In today's video, we're breaking down the world of trading, what it actually means, and how to decide between Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies based on your trading style and financial goals. So, what exactly is trading? Trading is the art and science of buying and selling financial assets to earn a profit. It can be done across various markets: foreign exchange, stocks, crypto, and even commodities. The key: timing, strategy, and understanding the market's behavior. Forex trading. Forex, or foreign exchange trading, is the largest and most liquid market in the world. You're trading currencies like USD, EUR, and JPY. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, with tight spreads and high leverage. It's fast-paced and perfect for short-term traders looking for consistent opportunities. Stock market trading. The stock market involves buying and selling shares of companies like Apple, Tesla, and Google. It's heavily regulated and moves based on economic reports, earnings, and investor sentiment. While it doesn't offer 24/7 trading, it's more stable and ideal for swing trading and medium-term setups. Crypto trading. Crypto is the new frontier, highly volatile but packed with opportunity. It runs 24/7 and includes coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging altcoins. This market rewards technical analysis and fast decision-making, making it excellent for short-term and even long-term investing if you believe in the technology. Which is best for short-term trading? If you're looking to profit from fast price movements and daily trades, Forex and crypto take the lead. They offer high volatility and round-the-clock access. Best for swing trading or medium-term positions? Stocks and crypto fit perfectly here. Stocks offer reliable patterns, and crypto gives explosive moves within days or weeks, both suitable for holding positions over a few days to a few weeks. And for long-term investors? The stock market is historically the most trusted for building wealth over time. But crypto is also gaining traction among modern investors seeking high-growth assets with future potential. Final thoughts. Each market has its strengths. The best one for you depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and time commitment. Diversifying across them might be your smartest move. What's your favorite market to trade or invest in? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Mukhlis Trading Academy, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a trading insight. Happy trading!